You ready? Time to sweat. Let's go.
Alright guys, let's get right to work. It is time for a 14-minute interval. We have a total of 8 intervals, 14 minutes. If you have the Max Trainer, all you got to do is hit the big Max button when I say so. Before we get started, if you have an alternative heart monitor, I use the iPhone watch. Make sure you set that. I also have the M7 for the Max Trainer, so I have a heart monitor on my chest that goes right through my console. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification. I'm here every day. Are we ready? Okay, we ease back into it on Monday, so let's hit it hard today. If you're new to my channel and you don't have a Bowflex, you have an elliptical, you have something else, a treadmill, get on, start working out with us. Alright, now when I get going, I'm going to have to reach down and reset my thing. I usually work out at about 10 on the resistance. Today I'm going up to 12. I can't keep staying at the same. You'll never progress like that. I've been there for a while. Get a drink of water. If you did not warm up, hit the pause button right now, warm up, and come back. I'll be here waiting. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hit that Max button. "25 seconds on the sprint." I just upped my resistance to 12. 15. 10 seconds. 5. Oh yeah, this feels different. I'm going to struggle on this one. Just got to take it easy and get through the workout. Yeah, I can't stay on 10 forever. I had to up it sooner or later. 30 seconds. Round 2. "15. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. 15. 10 seconds. Do not stop short in the sprint. 3 seconds. Alright, bring it down. I'll get used to the 12 on the resistance. We maybe have to slow it down for this workout. Eventually I'll get used to it. It's making it easier on my pace though. It's just the interval sprint. I'll struggle there a little bit. 30 seconds. Keep it real here. If I struggle, I'll let you know. 15 seconds. Round 3 coming up. 5 seconds. 2, 1, juice it up. 15 seconds, keep it going. Come on. 5 seconds. Bring it down. Wow, I'm feeling it in my legs already. I'm not going to tell you guys when to up your resistance. That's for you to decide. But if you're hitting a plateau, same routine in and out every day, you gotta change it. 30 seconds. Round 4. Seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. Bring it down. Don't cut them short. Get a drink of water. Nice deep breath. Keep pumping through. It's your recovery time. 30 seconds. $15 seconds. Round 5 coming up. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. $15. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Bring it down. Nice deep breath. Don't pant like a dog. Real quick rest. Doesn't do any good. Seconds. I know you're tired. Keep it moving. Round 6 is coming up. This is burnt. Ew. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. 15. 'Wait for me to call it out. 5 seconds. I can just feel the anticipation. Call out that number. Let us know we're almost done. Two more rounds. $161 on my heart rate. Not bad. I hate this resistance, and I love it at the same time. Lets me know I'm working out. 25 seconds. 15. 10 seconds. That last deep breath in there. 3, 2, 1. Juice it up. 15, 10, 5, 4, bring it down. Last round, baby. Come on, you made it this far. Camera shakes are brand new kitties. We're messing around by the tripod. Hopefully they don't knock it over. $30 seconds. Last interval. 170 on my heart rate. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Push it up. Come on. 15. 10 seconds. 5. Now we just gotta finish. Just gotta finish strong. $25 calories away from 400. $380. 30 seconds left. 385. 390. 10 seconds left. 395. 7, 8, 9. Whew. I just missed it. 399. Got the new resistance. It's not bad. I didn't know how hard to take it at first. Whew. Okay, great workout.